Alright, here we go again. This is Jake, the price action trader. Let's quickly recap what we did last time on that exit, which is the screen right now we seeing. It's USDJPY, okay, USDJPY, and this is our second session of the 10 trade practice on execution on rules for sure. And that was the first session. The first round of this new exit. We had three trades. And unfortunately, yes, we experienced a streak again. But it's gonna be fine, right? You remember, system is always our friend, and eventually it all turned into profit. Okay, so about system, not about the results. So without further ado, let's resume. Okay, let's resume. So now, basing on what happened, I think it's necessary for us to reanalyze again about the trend, right? About the trend. So here we go. Right. So last time we were talking about the trend was at the beginning a downtrend. Okay, and after this major swing high, retracement, and then go to the high, we thought it might have changed the trend to the uptrend. Okay, however, I also said something that this second swing to the higher doesn't seem high enough. So remember, our rule of seeing things is that if something is yes or no, then it's a no. If something is a yes, then it's a fuck yes, right? So it's only, I don't know, hell no or F yes. It's only two things. So anything ambiguous, then we better say it's a no. Okay, so that's a no because it's ambiguous. Now we just keep the same perspective as before. It's from a downtrend back to what? It's from a downtrend back to a neutral, back to a sideways. Okay, so it's not uptrend, it's a sideways. At this moment, still is a sideways. And what is the next possibility? Sideways, then continue the downtrend. That's it. Okay. All right. With that, we clarify again what is going on in the biggest picture, so that we can hit on the road better. Okay, looks like here we have a whole bunch of liquidity sweep possibility, and can put a support resistance here previously, but then now it has to go here because we have formed another very obvious contact points, multiple contact points here to form the new SR line. So again, yeah, because it's a sideways structure, we still wait for the intentional momentum, and we'll focus on attention on the 4-hour and 1-hour time frame, and also some of the liquidity sweep position at the moment, such as right now. What we can see is right here, right? So we keep close attention to this part. All right, let's go. Of course, it can form another possible liquidity sweep before the price level uh, hit this point. It could happen. So, not saying we need to wait all the way until that happens, but on the way it could form something else. Just a continuous process. See, this is another chance, but unfortunately it's in 4 hour time frame, so technically we won't pay attention to that. All right, this one happened. Okay, yeah. See, there was a last trade. There was a last trade. Okay, that happens already. So right. Okay. Nothing that worthy to pay attention to for our 4 hours. 4 hours is for entry. It's not that yeah. No, 4 hour. It's a distraction. It's a noise. Okay. Yeah. See, it eventually come down to this SR line, because really on daily time frame there could be big money. In any lower time frame, yes, there is something to get in the pocket, but it's not that big of attention for to attract the attention of the big fish. So why not just put it away to decrease some of the distraction, right? Just walking randomly. This moment, no obvious intention and no obvious momentum just yet. Yeah, I know that happened just moments ago, but remember we're looking at the daily. Yeah, so 4 hour we'll ignore. Yeah, it's fine. Let's ignore it. So let's get back our attention to the daily, and this one right here. Alright, I'm gonna delete that indicator. I mean, move it a little bit so that won't affecting our vision. Could possibly form in another chance of liquidity sweep right here, right? So let's see, because on the daily time frame it's not showing just yet. Okay, so it might be count as this one, is it? Let me take a closer look if I'm talking about here. Oh, Okay, but yeah, it's 4-hour time frame now, not in our. This time, if we have this money here, see if that happened. Okay, good. So money here and here, they all got swept, and now it's time to see if it will bounce back quickly. Not a very obvious structure change right here, because it's go all the way very sharply down, and this one, it's not a retracement. It's not very defined. Not very defined. So you can't say, oh, the price go up above here, we can enter. No, it's ambiguous. See, yeah. If we did it, it would have stopped. We would have stop loss again, but this time we didn't, and looks like this got swept out. Right here got swept out, and looks like we have a better structure to refer to right here. Alright, this time, okay, we can do something right now here. If it goes up above this point, we'll enter the market, right? Yeah, a little bit big, talking about the spread of the stop loss area, but that is okay. That is okay. See, now we're gonna see if it can exceed this entry level. Then we this order, it's not a limit order. Instead, it's I forget about the name of it. Some kind of stop order. Long stop, something like. Okay, never mind. You guys know what I mean. It's like once the price go up above some certain level, the order get active automatically. Buy stop. Okay, yeah, buy stop. Buy stop. Yeah, long stop. Buy stop. Yep. See if it. Okay. Now the price continue to go down, so it does not trigger our level. So that means this is not a good liquidity sweep, and the price keep going down. No problem. We will just continue to track. And one thing I think worth to notice is that if the price go a little bit more further down, we'll go back to not go back to, but okay, the power of going up, it's will be destroyed, right? This part, this is a very powerful momentum going up, but if the price continue to go down exceeding this level, around this level, we consider this power it's counteracted. So basically the trend will get back to its previous state, which is the downtrend, right? That's the logic. Alright, let's keep watching. Alright, just did. And now we're gonna see if it's gonna bounce back up or it continue to go down. We're gonna look closely right here. Oh yeah. Alright. That it's good enough to say continue on its previous trend, which is going down, and that's gonna be our primary focus from now on, talking about downtrend. Which is better than previously, right? It's a complete sideways, do not have any bias. So guess I don't need to mention, I don't need to further stress that now it's going down. Then we probably look for look at the downwards licorice sweep. It's gonna be on our advantage. Not yet. Nope. This just 4 hours seemingly happened, but not in the daily. Oh, okay. Right here. Nice, it happened. Okay, someone will already enter. Somewhere around here. But like I said, it's a downtrend. This time it's going upwards. And if I didn't see it and I missed it, which is okay, because my attention it's to the downside, to the downwards direction. So this one I'll just let it go. Yeah, see, the licorice whip happened here. But unfortunately, it's not going downward, it's upward. So just 1 second, let me double check something. Yeah, okay, let it go. It might not be able to go too far up because it's kind of counter the trend. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, looks like okay. See right here, it's forming another better licorice sweep area, which is the same direction to the trend at the moment. So better look at this than some other things. All right, get up there. Alright, getting there, almost. Keep going. Oh yeah, okay, got it. And let me look at where's the point the power started to. Okay, it's around this point. Okay, so right, if that's the case, we're gonna put out this time it's south stop, buy stop, south stop. Yes, this time is south stop order. We're gonna put it here. If this is a sweep and it's supposed to quickly go back down, and then hit my buy stop. I mean south stop order. Let's see. Okay, go further up. Okay. And just one moment. If that's the case, it's not intentional already because it go up for another whole intact candle. Yeah, that happened. For now, I just get rid of my stop order and keep looking. Let me double check one thing first. Yeah, obviously get back to sideways. I mean, not get back to sideways, but already counteracted the upwards momentum from here. So because it's go all the way back down here, so that means it get back to sideways and more slightly lean to the downside bias. Yeah, but at this moment, if you say it's a downtrend, it has not happened yet. It's more like still in a sideways status. Alright, if that's the case. Not very obvious bias, maybe. Still sideways. Okay. Yeah, let's put this judgment for now. Alright, something interesting happened in the lower time frame, but looks like it's not very one moment, gonna address a little bit here, the SR line. Yep, it's not a very perfect setup, so okay, it's fine, let it go. Put that one count. It's not obvious. It's fine. Don't waste your attention. For something, if you cannot catch, if you miss something, it's fine. Just let it go and focus on the next opportunity. Because you cannot catch all the opportunity in the market. You just need to make sure all the execution of your trade is completely based on your rules. and let go about the result, because you cannot predict the result. And obviously you cannot see all the opportunities. So just focus on what belongs to you. Nice one. Okay, in 4, it happens, a quick sweep, and it's got a very obvious structure as well, so this time I think I'm gonna engage. Engage from here. Put my again. This time we'll be using the self stop order. Okay, that's it. Go. Okay, it got triggered at this level. Got triggered at this level. And talk about the stop loss, because now it's still a sideways technically, so we just break even on the 1R distance. Let's see if it okay. We break even, and now we okay. I better put this line up here so that make it more clear. So now yeah, we just wait, see how further down it can go, and that's determine how much money we can get from this trade. Again, this is a sideways. So we better take portion of the profit at around 2.5 R level. Slightly lean to the downside, so we will only taking half of the position when the price hit the 2.5 R distance. You know, you don't want to eat too. You don't want to. You don't want to close too much of your position prematurely, because you might potentially miss. It's not a loss. You can potentially miss a lot of profit. Now, so we just put 2.5 R and 50% of the profit, which is 0.5. All right, see if there's any luck. It could go all the way back to my break even. It could happen. All right, okay, cool. This is a break even trade. Break even trade, no regrets, nothing lose, fine, just some time. Okay, we gonna mark it with orange, then we keep going. Okay, go away, retire. Remember to retire some indicators when they are outdated. Okay, just keep the chart as clean as possible. And also, okay, this line as well, gone. Okay. Now at this moment, alright, this SR line is still effective. Oh, interesting. This is is that a liquid? It's not a perfect one. But it could be. Alright. Okay, anyway. Go to the upside, and it's not very obvious, so yeah, just ignore it. Because we still have a effective SR line waiting up there. We can see how further up how far up it can go. And while we're talking, there's another sweeping opportunity just formed right here. So yeah, that's the beauty of going sideways. You'll have a lot of noise and a lot of seemingly worthy points of your attention, but it's not. See, it eventually will still go down, but just that in a very annoying way, I can say. It's not even okay. Fine, let it go. Oh yeah, all the way down. And at the same time, I'm gonna have to see if you will bounce up all of a sudden from here, because you'll just sweep out a lot of money from here. Well, at least, yeah. So I'm gonna keep a closer look. And it's of course better within one candle. Oh no. Alright, that is not then. It has to be within this one single candle to be determined as very intentional. No, it's too late. It's too late. And of course, it's another SR line. Could that be hit? No, too much. That's nothing. If this one's giving us any hints. Okay. Alright. Yep, so this is our SR line support and then turn into resistance. Yep, that it's more legit. Then it's time for us to see what happened next. Okay. That just happened, and I think I can get back to my traditional way of entering this. Let's see if it will get back up. Looks like it. That's right here. My order block. Alright, then I'll put it here. Okay, that's it. This is active. This is a limit order. Okay, go further down. Almost there. A little bit more further up. Okay. Just enter the tray here. Let's see if it's gonna give us any luck. Again, we gotta break even in the 1 hour distance. Right now, it's still ambiguous. Okay, great. Now we break even. Here. And then, as I said, this is a sideways structure, so taking some profit here. Well, but this time I just don't bother typing too much before it really happened. Let's see, I'll just taking half of it. Okay. Okay, finally. We taking out, as I said, half of the profit from here. It's 2.5 R and half of the position. Okay, good. Then next, we'll be looking at see. Just 3, no, it's not that good enough. Okay, this is gonna be our next profit taking level, which is at the 6R. Going sideways and steal some money here, so it's reasonable to assume this trade can go somewhere here, but we can't be that greedy. Now, if the price hits here, we're gonna take another 0.3, just 30% more of the position. All right. Okay, let's see. Oh wow, almost go all the way back and hit my break even. It could for sure. Accept anything, anything could happen. Looks like it will. Still alive. Alright. Now, based on what just happened here, I decided to, if it ever come down, I decided I'll take actually 40% the position. I don't think it will go all the way down to this line. How come this? Okay, now changed. And also I'll put my total stop profit here in the 1R level. Okay, oh, it hits, great. So, yep, as what I just said, I'll put this one here. And then for the rest of the position, I'll let it just free throw. Just free throw to see if it really go all the way down here. Yeah, see if it will go all the way down here, and I think should I end it? Because if it's going sideways, and then it might still have a chance to further go down. However, we only have 10%. Okay, let's just close the whole trade if it hits here, right? And if it goes all the way back up, then we finish the trade as well at the 2R, around 2R distance, which is still pretty good profit. Oh wow, look at that bounce up. Yep, so now the price keep going to the expected direction, but as I said, only 10% left there, so not much to worry now. At least we can keep watching. Yeah, keep all the way, go all the way up. Okay, looks like it's forming another sideway in this substructure. Okay, now we finished the whole tray. Now the last profit taking TP3 right here. So I said it's around 2R, which I'm gonna label it L right now. 2R. Last bit of the session. Okay. I think that's it for today. Session 3. We took two effective trade. Yes. Is that break even? Oh no, I kind of forget. Oh, only one effective trade actually. 1, 2. From here, right? Starting from here. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, okay. 2 trades, 1 effective trade for today. 42 minutes. Yeah, I think it's okay. Let me see if I can resume later. But for now, I think we call it the end of this session. Alright. See you guys later. Okay. Let's resume. From the last video, we just finished the trade, and for this asset USDJPY, so far we only have 4 to 5 trades, I believe. I haven't carefully counted it, but it's around that number. Now let's resume, because every session it has to be at least 10 effective trades. Alright, around that number, so which is less than a little bit less than half of it. Let's resume. We gotta continue. Great. With that said, let's go. So this is where we left off. Now, in that trade, the price finally got back up to hit my TP3, which is right here. This trade, I think, altogether giving me around 8%, which is yeah, you can say it counteracted all the losers before, but then I haven't got into detail of the calculation. Just approximate, and well, let's not worry about that. We're gonna do an aggregative calculation at the end. So yeah, simply put, we just continue. All right. So the perspective was still sideways and slightly lean to the downside. Okay, great. And what just happened was that it bounced back up from here. Okay, looks like, let me take a look. Really quickly, let me take a quick look first. not considering anything going upside actually. In 4 hours, 4 hours on the daily, it's nothing. Okay, so we can't put another support resistance line right here just yet. Better not to, because we're creating noise for ourselves. Now just wait. The very near thing we can do right now, it's unfortunately it's kind of blocking my view on the 4 hour because of that trade. Okay, the most nearby thing area we can look into, it's around here. It's around here. If the price sweep the profit, see, is there any? Oh, it's actually it's not. There's nothing sweepable. But yeah, near the area of this, kind of ambiguous, but at this moment we can only say that. Well, just wait. Yep, and see how it's gonna play out. Okay. Good. Go all the way to the support resistance line, and this is gonna be the last. Oh wait, no, actually not the last. It's still valid. Still valid. Just need a little bit of adjustment, because the recency effect. Okay. Now we're looking at something go down potentially. Uh, 5 minutes is not a really good one. Right, that's not okay, but it's time for us to take a closer look at. Alright. Something I spotted right here. It's I think it's enter. It's okay. Yeah, it's in. It's in, and not only that, I think we quickly hit the break even already. Should be right here, just one in the 1 hour. Yeah, we did, and yes, I said it's since a sideways, so breaking even here, it's obeying our rules. Now, see how much profit we could get. Right, keep going down. Break even and sideways, right? And okay, then we'll typically take the first profit at the 2.5 level, which is right here. 2.5 R, and again we're taking half of the position if it hits. Alright, it's not yet. Okay, see if okay, it does. Great news. Great news. Then next level we'll be looking at somewhere here, which is 16. Yeah, it's seemingly a bit greedy, but it's reasonable actually, because if we're looking at this upside momentum, or actually a bit too much. Okay, but right here is reasonable, right? At the 13.5 R distance, we're gonna take out TP2. Let's see if there's any luck. And oh, by the way, now we're still keeping our total break-even line here. Okay, let's see. A bit tired already. Okay, it's going quite smooth. Let's say if it really hits here, then we'll be taking 0.3, 30%. Okay, I'll just put the percentage right here for now, because I don't quite know if the distance. Okay, it's 13.5 R. Yeah. Okay. Let's cross finger. No, actually, if it's going to here, it's around 7, which is already pretty good already. But yeah, if we talk about the structure, it's really very possible to get down there, so better just give it a try. Especially we had a winner previously, so this one we might be able to cook a little more bold. Okay, so far it's fine. At least, I mean, except this level right here is forming. Looks like it's forming a quite strong support resistance right here in the one. Oh, actually not just in the 1 hour. It's in the 4 hour as well. Right here. Let me check. What is the? It's around 8. It's around 8. Okay. We will change the decision now. We'll change a little bit because the situation has also changed. Now that's why we need to change accordingly as well. Previously we're about to take a second profit at right here, but this is TP1. I change a bit. We're gonna take just at the 8.5, still 0.3, and it's gonna be on TP2. We're gonna raise it all the way to this level. Alright, it's more reasonable. Yeah, it's more reasonable. And it hits. Alright. Congrats, so we have another chunk of profit in the pocket right now. So now for well, at least we become more mentally become more stable, right? So now we have still 20% of the position left. Then okay, if it go further down all the way to here, we can conduct our TP3, and this is about 16.6 R distance, and this time we will take 10 more percent of the position, but let's see if it hits. And of course at this moment we'll move the total stop trading line like in just the 1R. Yeah, just the 1R level. Let's see. Alright, it's promising. Oh wow. Let me see if there's any new updates. Looks like it's all. We don't need to do any adjustment yet. Just let it be. Just let it be at this moment. Wow, almost hitting my red line. Okay, great. It hits. Quite of a big miss here. But it's okay. It's okay. We accept that. We accept everything to happen, right? Yep. So it's fine. Lastly, we have TP3 occurred right here. It's just 1R, and we have I think 20%, right? Yeah, we have 20% left. And it's gonna be a TP3. Good. So now we finish the whole trade right here. Let me quickly mark it as a winning trade here. There's another winning trade right here. So then today it gives me 1, 2, 3, yeah, only 3 active trades. So we're looking at maybe 1 to 2 more trades. Then we'll call it the finishing of session 2. Well, in fact, I split session 2 into 2 parts already. So yeah, it's a bit too many videos. Hopefully you guys don't mind, and anyway, continue. Okay, this SR line, I'm just checking if I need to retire that or adjust that. Looks like it's all good at the moment. There's some view right here blocking. What is this? Oh, okay, it's right here. It's right here at this one. I blocked my own view. Okay, good. Alright, cool. If that's the case, not retiring it yet, and we need to address it a little better. Okay, this is more promising. And yeah, it could happen. Liquidity sweep. Next, I mean, it's actually quite close. My next my next focal point. Okay, easier. Let's just say my next focal point is actually quite nearby. Just a little far up there. Okay, ready? Let's go. Okay, so breakout. Breakout happened. Not really good. Oh, keep going up. Is it? Actually, we don't have the conclusion yet. Can only keep watching. Okay, further go up. So this is not a liquidity sweep. But then, hold on just a second. If we're talking about the trend, if we're thinking about this is the trend. I mean, not about the trend. I mean, some bias. Obviously, now it's still in a sideway. However, after breaking, if it breaks this, it will get back to more lean to the upside. Yeah, it's very complicated, but this is about trading, so I'm gonna keep close on some important level. Okay, actually, right here, just another liquidity sweep happened. It's quite nearby to support resistance, so it's really possible it go ahead to go down. It is very possible. Just I need to be careful about where to define the break of structure. Oh, well, exactly here, exactly right here. So I'm gonna put my trade here. All right, this is gonna be a self-stop order. So once it drop down and exceed this level, the trade will be active. Let's see. Of course, if you continue to go to the upside, I will stop the trade. Yep, it did it. So no more trade here. Looks like it will continue to go to the upside at this moment, and it's almost approaching this right here. So let's see. Okay, yep. Quite obeying. This level right here is quite obeying. But still, I don't see any good liquidity sweep. I just go back to is trend within a sideway, which is the down trend. 15 minutes right here. Just one moment. Just one moment. That be. There is a overlapping of all the block here. Yes, but what about the position? Well, actually not bad. The position at the moment is not bad. Let's put trade here for now. And stop loss on at here a bit higher. And we need to see if the distance looks okay before triggering my trade. Okay, my trade's got trigger. My trade's got trigger on yeah, same rules. Ambiguous about the trend. I mean, yes, it's seemingly it's a downtrend, but you never know at the moment because it's right at the edge of breaking the downtrend within a sideway. So if it breaks again, it's in a even zoom in perspective, it is a sideway, and then in a bigger picture, it is a sideway. So everything sideway now, we can say ultimately it's just sideway. So gotta break even at the 1 hour distance and see if we have the chance to. We might not. Okay, is it? I'm a bit nervous actually. I think we did, huh? Yeah, we did. We did. So yeah, break even. Probably this is gonna be a break even trade. Yeah, I think it did already. Yeah, it breaks here already. Alright, and this is another break even trade. I'm gonna put it to orange. Then, as usual, get rid of all the indicators. I mean, the drawings. Now, what is going on here? Oops, where's my... Okay. It's not a liquidity sweep, unfortunately. This is not nothing particular. Just yeah, keep waiting. Yeah, I know it's gonna be a pity because I break even prematurely, but this is my rules. You can't regret. Just look forward, keep going. Now to my focal point, it's about this relative height right here. It shouldn't break again if you want to keep a more distinguished bias. At this case, in this case, it's downtrend, so better not to. Well, now it's got back down, and I gotta watch out because it could be a liquidity sweep right here in the 4 hour. So I'm gonna keep a closer look. Okay, looks like it's safe. Keep going down. But I don't see any chance to get in the market here. Not really good chance. Okay, see if it bounce back to. Okay, yeah, it goes back, and this is this SR line. I would say is still intact. Not intact. I mean, still useful. This area is still useful. So let's keep it. Okay, now time to do something here. I'll put one trade at this point. This is my stop loss. Hold on. Gotta be precise. It's not touching yet, but it's not a pretty big candlestick, so still acceptable. Just need to adjust a little bit on the triggering level. Okay, I think we got in the tray. This is looking not good. I'm gonna, yeah, stop loss. Yeah, well, maybe I should make the drawing a bit bigger right here. Let's make it a bit bigger, so it's gonna be not noticeable. Well, no regret. This one I follow my rules, so nothing to feel sad. Just keep going. One more time, the SR level will be retired. Okay. Okay. I'll keep going. Oh yeah, this is weird, but yeah, it's not exceeding this level just yet, so still seeing it as a more bias to the downside. It's logical. No, we don't know yet. Almost. Okay, almost touching this and exceeding 0.7 again. Show me if you really want to get it back to complete neutral sideways. It's getting there. Okay. Because of that, at the moment right now, not only we're retiring this support resistance line, but also we treat the whole structure right now back to a sideways, complete sideways. So if that's the case, we will no longer rely on our support resistance. We won't execute any trade nearby support resistance line, but we will rely more on the intentional momentum. Yep. Especially on the daily level. Yep. Actually, this one needs to be retired as well. Yep. We have a support resistance right here, and see if the structure will support our logic right here. Gotta say it's a bit ambiguous. Actually, at the moment, we better just wait. Okay, that happened. That's really kind of ambiguous. But then at least at the moment I can say right here is going to be a very strong support. We will have a really strong support right here, so we can take a close look at here. If the price get back. Otherwise right here it's not a really obvious there's no one forcing me to get into the market, right? So I think it's fine to not do anything at this moment because things are kind of ambiguous and I don't have an urge to take any revenge. Let's just wait. See if there's more clear indication on the daily. See, no, it's not a sweep. Keep going up. So yeah, always be patient. Whoa, it's going even higher. We don't need to see that already. And now, the next place we can pay attention to is gonna be right here. This is gonna be the next level of resistance if it's going upside. Okay. Alright, so let's see. Take this away. If you ever want to go down, take a break first, do the retracement, and then keep going upside. You better go all the way down here, okay? It's quite a lot of noise. Hold on just 1 second. This whole power locationally, I mean positionally, it's not bad, but the quality of the order block is not that good. It's just acceptable, but really it's not that good. Yeah. Okay. The position is not bad. Let's see. If there is any liquidity sweep possibility, that will be perfect. For example, right here. Yeah. Okay. For example, right here. That will be good. Getting down. Okay. Okay, that is a good one. What about... However, the only problem is if we were just talking about this momentum, we're measuring all the way from up here down. We will need to put a tray so far up, and that will make our stop loss so freaking wide. Okay, it was so wide, and if there's any resistance here, it's not that beneficial, so we can't just put a buy stop order there. We need to look a bit closer, see what happened on the lower time frame. Let's keep eyes on it. Okay, right here is a good one. Only if we can go down again. Not yet. I'm expecting to at least come back to hit here, go up again. Okay, what kind of sideways giving us here in this chunk? Let's sweep the upside instead. And of course, this order block has already been destroyed because it go too far down. We have a sweep happening here. What's happening here? If that's the case, hold on 1 second. Let me put the measurement. Oh, okay. Should have put something here, but it's fine. It's fine. It's okay to have a missing tray, no problem. Let me see. Execute tray from here. Then the slot loss will go all the way up here. thinking about should I still take it. We have a better auto block here in the 1 hour. Way better than in the 4 hour. So we probably can put a conditional order here and keep closer look at it, see what happened when it get back here, right? Okay, let's go. Not quite doesn't really have what I am looking for, but yeah, I didn't execute the trade here, which is okay. Yeah, as I said, it's not really what I'm looking for, so it's fine. Okay, we'll just get rid of it. Excuse me. Yeah, now it's getting back to a sideways structure, I believe. So whenever we get back to the sideways structure, all we can do is just be patient, really. Nothing else really we can do, and at this moment right here we have some liquidity sweep opportunity here. Also we can consult the daily. Let's see how it goes. Not yet. More further down. Okay, maybe one more. Okay. If that is it, still not yet. Can't put a trade here just yet. Can't play a buy stop. Alright. Nice. Okay, this time. Oh, but it decided to go further down. Well, anyway, if let's see if it bounces up real quick. Okay, nice. Then now it become more clear. Liquidity sweep happened. Also on the daily, yeah, it's pretty clear. As long as you go back up here, then we'll put the buy stop. Let's see. Yeah, it trigger, and yeah, just break even at the 1 hour distance. Same reason. Okay, switch sideways. Okay, almost okay. We break even, I believe. Yep, just did. Alright, okay. Now, yeah, I guess it's quite reasonable to say it will go up to here, at least. But I spotted a very clear support resistance. This 1.7, nothing to it. And what about here? Okay, around 3R distance, so look reasonable. Then just put our first TP up there. If it's not touching upper even, don't forget now we put our break-even line here already. Alright, so cross finger, don't get back down. Okay, you did. Awesome. Great job. No problem, no problem. It's another break-even tray, which is fine. Just that it looks like, let me see. Does it look like another liquidity sweep might happen again? But yeah, it's kinda ambiguous actually, very ambiguous. Here, well, not really, not really. This part, not really. Alright. You did, so what? Not immediate, okay. So the answer is no. It's not immediate liquidity sweep. Oh, I've been saying this word for quite many times. 4 hour it does happen. And I think yeah, I think this is a pretty good position. This is a pretty good one actually. Yeah, we'll put one tray here. Let's see. Okay, activate it to my 1R position. And we'll break even. Are we able to break even here? No. Wow, that's a very unfortunate trade here. I kind of want to take a revenge. some time to calm down myself. This is nothing. On 15, this is too low of the. Talk about the time frames too low. Okay, I think I'll call it finishing the chapter. I mean, finishing the session number 2. Session number 2, part 2. I took 2 more active trade. I think 2 of them are lost. I mean 3 more active trade. 1 winner, 2 more loser, and yeah, that's it. I believe it's still a profiting day, just that right on that one, the last one, it really triggered my heart of revenging. But I'm gonna stop myself. I'm gonna need some cool down time. Well, anyway, like the video, subscribe, comment. You know what to do. Yeah, that's it for session 2. See you guys later.